LASER's new air hammer extractor uses the power of the air hammer to withdraw and extract seized and stuck components such as diesel injectors, pivot pins and small diameter bearings. A full range of diesel injector adapters are available. This type attaches to the injector internally and externally and gives tremendous grip. Screw the extractor into the adapter. Insert the impact punch into the air hammer. And you're ready to go. Powerful impact and vibration will extract the most stubborn components. Diesel injectors in particular can be very difficult to remove. This is a registered design and manufactured in the UK by Laser Tools. Another valuable tool for the professional technician.